Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the Padmanabha Swamy Temple, a Hindu shrine with a $1 trillion hidden treasure chamber located in the capital city of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. So, if you do really love watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. The temple is built in an intricate fusion of the Chera style and the Dravidian style of architecture and a 16th century gopura. Several extant Hindu texts like the Vishnu, Brahma, Malsya, Varaha, Skanda, Padma, Vayu and Bhagavata Puranas and the Mahabharata mention this shrine. The temple has been referred to in the Sangam period of literature between 500 BCE and 300 CE. The principal deity and the tutelary deity of the Travancore royal family, Padmanabha Swamy or Lord Vishnu, is enshrined in the Anantashayana posture, the eternal yogic sleep on the infinite serpent Adishesha. The deity is covered with a special Ayurvedic mix, Kadisharkara Yogam, which forms a plaster that keeps the Lord clean. The daily worship is with flowers and for the Abhishekam, special deities are used. The serpent has 5 hoods facing inwards, signifying contemplation. The Lord's right hand is placed over a Shivalingam. Sridevi Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity, and Bhudevi, the goddess of earth, 2 consorts of Vishnu, are by his side. Brahma emerges on a lotus which emanates from the navel of the Lord. Every morning, the Lord is to be awakened only by blowing the conch shell and chanting the Sripada Suktam. The legend regarding the temple's origin is when Sri Mahavishnu presented himself in Anantashayana posture before the sage Vilvamangalata Swamiyar, he had nothing worthwhile to offer the Lord. So he offered a few unripe mangoes, placed them in a coconut shell lying there, and in all humility offered it as Nivedyam to the Lord. Hence, the salted mango offering in the temple has been started, which is practiced for the past several centuries. The gopuram of the temple has 7 floors with a couple of window-like openings at the middle of each floor. The equinox is known to occur twice in a year, once in autumn and other in spring, and during these days the day and night durations are almost equal. The autumn equinox usually occurs on 22nd or 23rd September, while the spring one occurs on 20th or 21st March. Everyone visiting the temple on these days would be getting a chance to view the setting sun exactly aligned and passing through each window opening in an approximate of 5 minutes interval. This shows the great development and brilliance of Indian architects during the period. During the period of Martanda Varma, he renovated the temple and constructed the Ottakal Mandapam. Ottakal Mandapam, platform where the deity rests, is carved out of a single massive stone measuring 20 square feet in area by 2.5 feet thick from a rock at Tirumala, which is about 4 miles north of the temple. Pankuni Ulsavam, a biannual festival of Padmanabha Swamy Temple, one of the 2 annual 10 days festivals, falls in March to April month. On these days, the massive figures of Pandavas are erected at the eastern entrance of the temple. The massive figures are made of wood and fiberglass, faces decorated with bulging eyes, colorful headgear, and long tresses and nails. The festival begins with Kodiyettu or flag hoisting and ends with Arattu or holy bath ceremony. Velakali is a traditional martial dance of Kerala that is performed during temple festivals. Brightly clad dancers wielding swords and shields perform to depict the scene of the battle between the Pandavas and the Kauravas during the dance. This performance represents the victory of Dharma over Adharma. The uniqueness of the orator is that the royal family's head of the erstwhile Travancore kingdom still escorts the idols during the procession, donning his traditional attire. The procession takes place in the late afternoon and the images of Sri Padmanabha Swamy, Sri Krishna and Sri Narasimha are carried along the 3 miles road to the Arabian seashores at Shankamugam, escorted by the members of the royal family, decorated elephants, armed guards, temple authorities, mounted police and officers. The estimated treasure in the temple is about 90,000 crore rupees or 22 billion US dollars. There are 6 bolts named A, B, C, D, E and F, among which B is not open for centuries even by the team appointed by the Supreme Court. The Vault A consists of 1.02 lakh articles, 1,95,000 gold coins which weigh about 800 kg, 9 varieties of diamonds and 60,000 precious stones. The Vault A consists of 1.02 lakh articles, 1,95,000 gold coins which weigh about 800 kg, 9 varieties of diamonds and 60,000 precious stones. Vault A was possibly opened on 1930 and vaults C and F are opened from time to time in a periodic manner. The chamber also saves space for an 18-feet pure gold chain, 500 kg gold sheet, 36 kg gold veil, 1,200 gold coins, sapphires, emeralds, gemstones, the 18th century Napoleonic era coins. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos related to places with great cultural value, subscribe my channel.